siyabingelela kakhulu lapha kuMathebeleni Broadcasting Corporation. Siyadumala sidumele inhliziyo zibuhlungu. Isihlahla siwile. Hayi Mthwakazi kunzima, inhliziyo ziyopha igazi. Sikhuluma ngokushona kwendunankulu yesizwe sikaMthwakazi, uChief Vezi Maduna. Namhlanje ke sithanda ukuthi silethulele umbiko ovela enkosini yabeThwakazi, inkosi uBulelani Lobhengula kaMzilikazi kaMachobana. Ikho ke sizofunda umbiko njengoba unjalo osuka enkosini. Statement from Inkosi Bulelani Lobhengula kaMzilikazi and the Khumalo Royal House. Inkosi uBulelani Lobhengula Royal Statement on the passing on of Chief Vezi Maduna. The 13th of February 2021 shall go down in the memory of our nation as one of the darkest hours to engulf our land. It is the day of passing away of Mthwakazi's most senior chief, Chief Vezi Maduna Maf, at the age of 85. The royal Khumalo family cherishes the numerous works of selfless commitment, bravery, and patriotism exhibited by the late chief in advancing the cause of the Mthwakazi nation, despite the formidable forces he faced. The news of the chief's death was profoundly shattering to the king and his council, and he still finds it difficult to accept. On behalf of the Mthwakazi nation, in their diversity, the royal family would like to express its deepest condolences to the Maf family and the entire community of Gojwayo on the loss of a father and a leader par excellence. We share your grief and the pain of loss and urge you to be comforted in the knowledge that Chief Vezi Maduna Kamthikana Kadambisa Mahubu was a man we all revered as a hero of our many struggles. May his heroic soul rest in eternal peace. Lalani ngenxeba Mthwakazi omuhle, bondlela zimhlophe. Siyabonga Mthwakazi, duduzekani, alwehlanga lungehlile.
Chief Maduna, nduna yakithi koMthwakazi, intaba enkulu idilekile, isihlahla somthunzi sisusiwe, siselelangeni thina, lala ngoxolo qhawe lamaqhawe, phumula mgogodla kaMthwakazi. Uliqhawe wena, lokho akubuza kuthandabuzwa, imvelaphi yakho iyakufakazela, emajele bakuphosela bamhlophe, ngoba uphathekile kwezombusazwe, wangena uphuma emajele kanjeyana, waba nguyedwana ejele umahlala yedwa, konke lokho akwenzanga wahlehla, waba ngusibindigidi, ide lakufa, ekugcineni yabuya iZimbabwe, lala ngokuthula Vezi kaMaduna. Bangangakuboni njengeqhawe, kodwa lokho akubuthathu ubuqhawe bakho. Awubi liqhawe ngoba bethu liqhawe, awekele ukuba liqhawe ngoba bethaso qhawe, uliqhawe ngoba imisebenzi yakho iyavuma. Angangajayu yeyi emisakazweni, konke lokho akubuthathu ubuqhawe bakho. You are a true hero, the son of the soil. Became unpopular to the rulers for telling the truth. You never bowed down to oppressors. Walukuba isikhothamate. Never allowed any tiny finger to close your mouth. You eloquently spoke against marginalization and oppression. Caution social and political injustices. Phola mhla somelwa ngubani, umthunzi ususiwe sobhadlwa lilanga. Your contribution towards a free Zimbabwe is overlooked, yet you work tirelessly and diligently to see a free Zimbabwe. Oh, what a shame. It is a shame. What a shame. When will we celebrate our heroes while they are still alive? Loba kunjalo, his glory will never be buried. His legacy will live on. Generations to come will know that there was once Chief Vezi Oka Maduna. Long live, spirit of Maduna, long live. Umbuthile ugodlwayo wonke waba yisizwe, waseluka isizwe sakho seluleka, wasilondoloza kwabokuza abembethe semvu, wabusa ngobuqotho langokukhalipha, wazikwa kwelikamthwakazi lonke. Ngubani ongathi kakwazi na? Isizwe sakho ngomthetho sihamba phambili, ngobuntu singumnconywa izwe lonke. Godlwa will never be the same again, the mighty sun has set, sekuhwalala. Obekhetha abantu ngemihlobo besiba yisitha sakho, obabuthanisayo siba ngomkhulu umngane. Like Moses, you resisted a good living for the love of your people. You were happy when your people were happy. In times of trouble and suffering, you firmly stood by them. Ulahlekelwe ugodlwayo, silahlekela isizwe sakithi. Bayakhala ematshetsheni kwelikamasuku, bayakhala emathendele kwelikamabhena, bayakhala enqameni kwelikamathema. Siyalila isizwe sonke, zohamba insizwa kosalindo ojelane. Dudu kuwe lizi logodlwayo umahlaba ithwale, lala ngokuthula Maduna, ulisane lobandlululo impilo yakho yonke. Wakufisa ukuthi kusibukululwa indaba yombhuqazo wegugu rawunde, ikhangelisiswe ngeso lokhozi. Phosa uhambe masinya mdala wesizwe, wamchiya umthokazi eyilindele inkululeko, phela inkululeko ayikakabuyi. Yingabe